After what distance from home one has the concession of not to fast? How about a makeup? Travelers, لَيْسَ مِنَ الْبِرِّ الصِّيَامُ فِي السَّفَرِ. Hadith Sahih, Imam Bukhari, and I think all of the 6 or 5 of the Sitta collections has this hadith. Al-Jama'ah, okay, Rawahu Jama'ah, I believe. But Bukhari for sure, Muslim for sure. لَيْسَ مِنَ الْبِرِّ الصِّيَامُ فِي السَّفَرِ. Why it happened? A person was falling like dizzy and all that, and he was a traveler, people were putting shade on him. Prophet said, this is not birr. You're not going to get any extra reward because you're in safar. But the question is, how much distance is safar? Scholars have started from many limits, from 50 miles, 60 miles, 70, 80 kilometers actually in distances. In our modern times, anything that is not your daily routine, even if let's say you have to make a special trip to Grand Rapids, it's not your routine. You're just going there for a doctor's visit or something, consider that a safar. There could be a hardship during that safar. So if you cannot continue your fast, break it. Okay, have a good meal, no problem, make it up later. You have to. Anytime you miss a fast during travel, you have to make it up as soon as possible after Ramadan is over. Good? I hope that sums up the whole thing, inshallah.